Hi guys, so I wanted to share with you just a few touches of Christmas that I did in my craft room and any little updates that I have done in here. I have a full video on it if you want to see. I think I actually created a playlist. If I haven't, by the time you see this, I would have. You can check it out from my planning corner to my little lounge area. I haven't done my little, what's this, film area. I have done my desk. I done my scrapbook area. With this is also my desk area. So let me share with you what I did in my craft room. So the past couple of years I have been sharing a little touches of the holiday season in my craft room, but I really shared it on my channel, and I didn't plan on actually decorating for the holiday season this year because I haven't really been coming in here that much. Believe it or not, I have been working like downstairs in the kitchen counter and on the kitchen table, I'm sorry. And so anyway, once I tidied up some, my craft room can get really out of hand. I was in here doing some things for my class reunion, and I started decorating for the holiday season, and then I felt like coming in here. And now it makes me really happy when I come in here. So guys, I had this tree probably like 2 or 3 years now. If you are on my Facebook or Instagram, you've seen it already. And I decorated it different ways, and most of the decorations are from the Dollar Tree and Big Lots. So I collect some a little bit over time. I didn't get all of them at the same time, but like the little rocking horse, just in case if they bring them back next year. This one here, and the pink one is from the Dollar Tree. The little roses I decided to take off of the garland that I have that I got from Michael's, that I normally keep above my Add More TV Add More. So I just took them off and I can put them right back on. And this right here is just actually those little car wash white cloths that they have, and I just put it down here below the Christmas tree as a Christmas tree skirt. The tree is from Walmart, and I got it a couple of years ago. I keep those there all the time, and then I just have some boxes right here and put a little bow on it. I had that bow on top of the tree one year, but I just didn't want it on there this year. Over here I have a little happy holidays, and it looks like Josiah put his little sticky fingers on it. So I kept it really simple over here. And then I have this garland, and I got it from the Target one spot, and I didn't quite know where to put it for years. I didn't even use it last year. Well, not for years. I think I might have had it 1 or 2 years, maybe last year. And I wouldn't use it, but I was like, this is so perfect to put up here. And then I put a couple of other roses that has the garland that I got from Michael's that I mentioned earlier, and just stuck them up there, and I can pop them right back on the garland that belongs up here. The other little change is I put Glam Office. I purchased this sign a while ago, and I just placed it up here. I thought it would be cute to put it up there instead of putting it on my door. And then on my door I have a little wreath, and this wreath came from Big Lots last year or the year before, one of them, y'all. Really pretty. The other little change is I had this picture forever and a day. For years and years, it came from Home Interiors and Gifts. And it used to be an independent direct sales company, but it went out of business. And ironically, I just loved it. I loved it because it was purple. I had an entire display set, like it had sconces and a shelf with it, but it's kind of dated now, so I got rid of those, but I still have the picture. And like I was saying before, what a coincidence. I kept it after having my first miscarriage, and then of course after losing our daughter Jasmine, and she has the angel wings. So I finally hung that up. I was gonna put it in my closet, but I was like, no, I'll put it there. So that's not Christmas related, but then I put my little reindeer over here from Big Lots. These little pigs came from, I believe they came from Walmart, y'all. So I had them for a while now, and I love them. I wish I picked up more of these with the flock snow on them, but some of them I have are starting to turn yellow. And a Instagram friend told me that if I sprayed it with some of that faux snow that they sell in the can, that it'll turn back white, brand new again. So maybe you want to try that. This year, I always have my little stocking that I got from the Target One Spot, and I just think it's super cute, and I actually hung it on a little command hook this year. If you have like these little hooks or somewhere in your house, you probably can bedazzle it out or something like that to give it more flair, more style, or put some kind of Christmas ornament on it. So these little trees, if you recognize them and you're a Dollar Tree lover, you know they came from Dollar Tree. So I have 2 of those, and I love to put those up every year. And this reindeer I had for a few years now. It came from the Target One Spot. And then over here, this sign came from the Target One Spot. I had some years now. I'm sure you can find some really cute items there next year if you didn't get any this year. This little cone Christmas tree came from the Target One Spot. I pulled this out. I think I had it somewhere else, and I thought it would look really good with the Christmas decor. And I created that. I think I created it a long time ago, y'all, for my cousin's bridal shower. And then over here I had this reindeer. He has a broken leg, but I try to hide it the best way I can. And I just put some another pig over here and some ornaments. And I love these little Santa hats. Super cute. So that is all I did in my craft room, guys. Again, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. But I do have videos on my entire craft room. And I'm trying to see if I have any new touches. Oh yeah, I do. And if you want to know where this blanket came from, it's from Gold Mining Cocoa, and that's Peyton. And I love it. And then she says, playing all the things. So I haven't been putting a lot of videos on that channel, but I'm definitely going to but push out some videos real soon, especially for the new year on that channel. And this isn't a new addition. I had it for a while, but I finally put it up, and I used some command strips, command strips, and I'm going to use this for my top 3 ideas of the day over here on this board. And then I just had this sitting around, so this is just like a little cork board if I want to put something there. And that is probably the only new additions that I did in my craft room that I can remember, y'all. I did decorate this little corner over here. And I think both of these came from Dollar General.